a large amount of return. It's giving you a large amount of income, but it's saying that it's guaranteed. It's saying that the risk is not there because you could get it on a regular basis. I do believe that's already a red flag. If it's massively higher than what tail treasury bonds are, they're presenting it in a way that it's zero risk, and they're presenting it in a way that you could get this fixed amount of money without actually doing anything at a high rate of return. I do believe that's already a red flag. I've seen so many people lose money on investment scams. And being in the financial industry and being an investor for over 17 years, I've seen scams come and go, and I've seen different iterations of it. Of course, those iterations would change over time, and they have evolved also to somehow be attractive to the appetite of people. So before, it used to feel like you're selling a product or something. Now people have been throwing out Web3, crypto, blockchain, AI, some sort of investment, and then you'll get money off of it. In this video, I want to talk about and I want to teach you principles on how you could figure out if that investment is legitimate or not, so that you could point out, is this a scam? Or you could actually say that this is a scam. A lot of how scams were in the 90s and even early 2000s or even in the 2010s, they haven't changed up until today. So regardless if people say to you it's blockchain, it's crypto, it's NFTs, it's stocks, it's investing in a startup, the principles of how scams work are pretty much the same. And please do note this, that crypto, Web3, blockchain, AI, those are legitimate things. But this is what I do believe, because it's so new, items get thrown around and then people hear the word earning money, you get something guaranteed, you put a certain amount of money here and then you will get this fixed amount on a regular basis, and then you have to start getting people also to invest, and then they throw the word blockchain. I think that's where it becomes a bit dodgy. That's where I think it becomes a bit scary already, and that could be already a red flag for you. So first things first, how do you know, or how can you point out that this is a scam and you should not invest in it? Number one is this: if you invest money and then the returns are absolutely big, it's something that you don't get in time deposits, it's something that you don't get in fixed income assets, it's something that you don't get in bonds. The principles of finance never change. If you want to get a higher amount of return, if you want to earn a lot of money, you need to take a lot of risk. And if it's giving you a large amount of return, it's giving you a large amount of income, but it's saying that it's guaranteed. It's saying that the risk is not there because you could get it on a regular basis. I do believe that's already a red flag. If it's massively higher than what tail treasury bonds are, they're presenting it in a way that it's zero risk, and they're presenting it in a way that you could get this fixed amount of money without actually doing anything at a high rate of return. I do believe that's already a red flag. A lot of the things that will give you a large amount of return is something also that will give you a certain amount of risk. It will give you a chance also to lose money because of the volatility that's in it. So people need to realize there's no free lunch, there's no easy way to get rich, there's no investment that suddenly you put in money, zero risk, and you earn a lot. That's a scam. That's already a red flag. That's something that you should know that you should get away from already. Second way to pinpoint a scam, or at least if it's a red flag already that it's an investment scam, is there's no clear path on how the revenue is given or how you will actually earn. If you put in the money and it's not well explained on how you earn. So let me give you an example. If you invest, say, in Jollibee stock, and as you become a shareholder of Jollibee, if the company makes money, you get dividends as part of it. It's something that the board of directors will declare that's given out to people. Or also because if the value of the company gets bigger, say Jollibee moves from 5,000 stores to 25,000 stores, then suddenly the value of the company is much bigger, it's much higher. Hence, also people would be willing to buy the stock at a much higher price as well. That's where you have capital appreciation. There's a clear path. For example, you franchise Potato Corner, there's a clear path to profitability, meaning you franchise the brand, you franchise the system, you get training, and you also get the items that are part of the franchise, like a kiosk and all of the materials needed for you to be able to sell and for you to be able to earn. And it's very clear that your profitability is based on how many, say, shawmais that you actually sell. And that's how you can identify how you will actually earn from it. If there's no clear path on how you could actually earn, then I do believe that's already a red. Number three is this, and I think it's highly connected to that as well. For you to be able to earn, you have to get more people to start investing also. Because most likely, every time you get people to invest, instead of the money going to that whatever investment or asset that it's going to, a portion of that is going back to you. And that's where Ponzi schemes come from. That the money that's returned to you is actually the money that investors that came in after you are actually giving. And the problem with that, and the reason why it collapses, is that when no one is giving in money anymore, you don't have any new investors. That's when you see it start to collapse. That's when it becomes trouble. And I guess it goes hand in hand already that if it's there's no clear path on how you make money, but every time you invite people, every time you have people investing, you get something in return. That's where it becomes fishy. That's where it becomes a Ponzi. That's where also it's not something that will be sustainable. Because at the end of the day, for every person to actually earn, that means that the people who are invested in that scam will actually exceed the number of people that's actually on planet Earth. So that's how you know it's scamish already in a way. And I'll end everything off with this. Always remember that the fastest way to get rich is slow. The fastest way to build wealth is to do it over and over with skill, discipline, and experience over a long period of time. It's something that you don't get instantly. Although there are cases where you've seen people do it fast and easy also, but those are exceptional cases. But what you don't see also is the hard work that they place in it. What's a red flag? If the gains that's offered to you, the amount that you will actually earn, aside from it being guaranteed, is insane. If it comes to a point where it entices you to take out money that you're not supposed to put as an investment, if it entices you in a way also to put something that's relatively larger or to put something that's part and parcel already of your savings and you have to take it out because the returns are so big. Every time you hear people say that this is your chance to get rich, this is your chance to be able to earn, this is your chance to make money, that you don't actually have to do anything but earn a lot of money, that's already a red flag. Always think about it that way. When you look at the rich people, the ones that have made it, the ones that have created sustainable wealth, they did it slow, they did it little by little, they did it with patience, they did it with discipline, they improved their skills, they improved their mindset, they changed their inner circle, they spent time growing what they have and what they know. Because at the end of the day, that's how it actually gets bigger. That's how it's actually done. That's how you could actually win. That's how you could actually get rich. It's not something that you do that's easy. It's something that's hard. So those are the red flags. I do hope that this is something that helped you. I do hope that this is something that gave you tremendous value. If you want to learn more, check out the links down below. I have seminars on the stock market, on crypto, on NFTs. I also have seminars teaching you how to analyze the best stocks, the ones that are good, the ones that are there for the long term, and I also have a technical analysis course teaching you how you could time the markets. So there. But if you're the type of person who likes reading, check out the links down below. I have 5 books that are available via Shopee. And I also have thousands of videos in this channel as well. I hope that this is something that will give you insight. If you have any questions, put it down below. I'll try to make videos on the questions that you would send. And that's it. Marvin Gurmo, I hope this video helps you. Trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon. God bless you all.